Welcome to Top 5 Reviews.
Ten Best Digital Oscilloscope. We are going to check out top 10 best digital oscilloscope current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I tried to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this digital oscilloscope, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Fnirsi 1014D Digital Storage Oscilloscope 100 MHz Dual Channel Oscilloscope Signal Generator. Built-in DDS signal generator. Support 12 kinds of function signal. Industry's original. Capture output signal. Function can store up to 1000 capture signals. Targeted high intelligent decoding algorithm. The encoder life is infinite. Intelligent anti-burn 1X can withstand up to 400 V withstand voltage. 100 MHz analog bandwidth at 1 GSA/S sampling rate 1X equals 5 MHz 10X equals 100 MHz. Fully fit 7-inch 800. 480 resolution color TFT-LCD display with bright colors and high contrast. High measurement voltage range. 1X can measure 0 till the 40 V. 10X can measure 0 till the 400 V. 100X can measure 0 till the 4000 V up to 12 parameters measurement VPP, VP, Vmax, Vmin, VAG, VRMS, frequent duty plus duty time plus time period.
Top 9.
Rigol DS-1104Z plus 100 MHz mixed signal oscilloscope with 4 analog channels. Serial decode included. 4 analog channels with probes included. Add RPL 1116 probe to utilize digital channels. 30,000 waveforms per second capture rate. Serial decode included. RS-232, UART, I2C, SPI, USB, and Ethernet connectivity.
Top 8.
Digital oscilloscope with 2 channels, 7-inch TFT-LCD display, 120 MHz, 1 GSA/S sampling rate Kibram DS-1202. 1. Bandwidth 120 MHz, dual channels, sampling rate 1 GSA/S, time base range 2 ns/div to 1000/div. Storage depth, record length of each acquired waveform, sampling points above 10K. 16 groups of waveforms can be stored. U-disk available storage functions. USB device and host interface. 2. Large 7-inch LCD TFT, true color, screen, 65,535 colors, 800 x 480 pixel resolution, cursor measurement, and 4 automatic cursor modes. 3. The Kibram DS-1202 oscilloscope has an automatic range function, supporting horizontal, vertical, single waveform, and multiple waveform tracking. Probe attenuation multiples, 1X, 10X, 100X, 1000X2 trigger types. Edge trigger, video trigger, 3 trigger methods, automatic, normal, and single.
Top 7.
Rigol DS-1202ZE 200 MHz digital oscilloscope with 2 analog channels. Serial decode included. 1 GSA/S real-time sample rate 2 analog channels. Up to 24 MPTS standard memory depth bandwidth of 200 MHz. 30,000 WFMS/S max waveform capture rate intensity graded color display. Low noise, 1 MV/div to 10 V/div vertical dynamic range. Real-time hardware waveform recording and playback functions. Up to 60,000 frames of a waveform can be recorded.
Top 6.
Siglent Technologies SDS 1202X-E 200 MHz digital oscilloscope 2 channels, gray. Country of origin. China real-time sampling rate up to 1 GSA/use. I record length up to 14 MPTS. Standard serial bus triggering and decode, supports EIC, SPI, UART, RS-232, CAN, and LINE.
Top 5.
Siglent SDS1104X-E 100 MHz digital oscilloscope, 4 channels standard decoder. 100 MHz, 4 channels, 1 GSA/use, 1 MPTS FFT standard decoder. EIC, SPI, UART/RS232, CAN, LIN 16 digital channels, MSO, 4 channel series only, option, USB AWG module 4 channel series only, option, USB Wi-Fi adapter 4 channel series only, option. Note, refer user guide included along with the product before us.
Top 4.
Rigol DS-1054Z digital oscilloscopes. Bandwidth 50 MHz, channels, 4 serial decode included.
Top 3.
Siglent SDS-1104X-E 100 MHz digital oscilloscope, 4 channels, standard decoder. 100 MHz, 4 channels, 1 GSA/use, 1 MPTS FFT standard decoder. EIC, SPI, UART/RS232, CAN, LIN, 16 digital channels, MSO, 4 channel series only, option, USB AWG module 4 channel series only, option, USB Wi-Fi adapter 4 channel series only, option. Note, refer user guide included along with the product before.
Top 2.
Hantek DSO 5102P digital storage oscilloscope, USB 100 MHz, 1 GSA/S40K 2 channel 2CH. Remote control and U-disk storage. This oscilloscope can store more than 1,000 waveforms information and can upgrade the system through the USB port, support plug-and-play USB storage devices, and communicate with the computer and remote control through USB. Automatic measurement function. With 32 different kinds of waveform parameters, automatic measurement with FFT standard, provide manual/tracking automatic/cursor test function. Achieve the goal of more accurate measurement. Large TFT-LCD display. Large 7-inch 64K color TFT-LCD display with a resolution of.
Top 1.
Owon XDS 3204E digital oscilloscope, 200 MHz DSO 4CH 1GS/S 8-bits LCDs with touchscreen function 45,000 WFMSDS refresh rate .40M record / standard I2C SPI. RS232 and can decoding plus DMM plus AG21 plus battery. Model XDS 3204E 200 MHz bandwidth, 1 GS/S sample rate, 12-bit high-resolution ADC, 40M record length 45,000 WFMSDS waveform refresh rate, 8-inch 800x600 high-resolution LCD, multi-touch screen, more user-friendly operation experience, SCPI, and LabVIEW supported. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.